Hi friends, today I am unboxing Tenda router. This is Pradeep from Tech Pradeep. Tenda wireless N USB adapter, model number W311M 150 Mbps speed wireless adapter. This N series 150 supports 2.4 GHz frequencies. The Tenda wireless adapter, they are giving 3 years warranty and excellent performance 150 Mbps wireless speed based 802.11n technology. Simple certified one touch WPS button for easy wireless security setup. Soft AP enable wireless adapter to extend coverage and share internet connections as AP. I purchased this Tenda wireless adapter on Amazon at a price of $299. Okay, let's see backside. Okay, the price it is written is $800 and the manufacturing date is August 2015. It is a Tenda W311M in a mini wireless USB network adapters. Okay, obviously it is made in China. Compatible with IEEE 802.11n by G by B. Wireless speed is up to 150 Mbps. Provide a WPS button on instant setup security. 3 working modes: infrastructure, EDHOC, and soft AP. Security levels WEP, WPA, WPA2 encryption methods. Supports WMM to smooth video and audio. Support multiple OS, Windows, Mac, and Linux. Okay, I will unbox it. Okay, the seal is open now. It's a very small device. Sorry friends, I am doing with one single hand on camera and right, the device is very small. This one plastic wrap it's okay, and we will see what is inside box. Okay, I can see Tenda wireless network adapter drivers, user guide, and PDF reader. nothing else. It's wrapped in this plastic. It's small plastic. Now we can see the device. ROHS component. It's written FCC ID and the model name W311M, made in China obviously, and WPS switch. Okay. It's very small, like a small pen drive, mini. Okay friends, I will check this wireless adapter in my desktop, and in other review I will let you know how it's working. Hope you like the video. Thank you. Pradeep signing off. Thank you. Bye.